The DJI Avata 360 is quickly becoming one of the most talked about drones of the year, and for good reason. DJI insider and well-known leaker Hakasushi has revealed a major new update on X that gives us a closer look at how different this drone may be from anything DJI has released before. According to him, the Avata 360 will not be limited to full-sphere 360-degree recording. Instead, it will offer a rotating camera module that can shift into a traditional single-axis FPV position. That alone changes everything. What makes this so exciting is the idea that one drone can serve two completely different shooting styles. In one mode, creators can shoot fully immersive 360-degree footage, capturing every angle around the drone. With a quick rotation of the camera housing, the Avata 360 can switch to a classic FPV setup, giving pilots that familiar forward-facing view for fast, precise flying. For the first time, DJI seems to be blending a full 360-degree camera drone with an FPV racer, essentially offering two drones in one. Recent leaks only make things more interesting. A new hardware image shows the rotating camera module clearly, confirming that this isn't just a software trick or a stitched dual-lens system. Instead, the camera sits in a physical rotating housing built directly into the drone's front frame. This also explains the thicker and more curved structure seen in earlier leaks. DJI needed room to support the moving parts of the rotating module. But as exciting as the concept is, it also raises serious questions. Can DJI truly balance the needs of both 360 filming and FPV performance in one device? Full sphere capture requires heavy processing, advanced stabilization, and stitching. FPV, on the other hand, demands ultra-low latency, high responsiveness, and lightweight design. It's a difficult combination to pull off, and creators are wondering whether the Avata 360 can excel at both, rather than leaning too heavily toward one style. Adding to the debate is the rumor that DJI aims to make the Avata 360 weigh under 250 grams. That would be a significant milestone, but also very surprising. None of the previous Avata models have come close to this weight class. They typically use large batteries, protective ducts, and reinforced frames, making them heavier than compact FPV drones on the market. This year's leaked hardware suggests DJI is taking weight reduction seriously. The top shell looks slimmer and longer compared to the Avata 2. The overall frame appears more compact, and there seems to be less plastic and fewer structural reinforcements. The battery is rumored to be smaller as well, which would reduce milliamp-hour capacity but help the drone reach that magic sub-250-gram number. Even the motor mounts and ducts look thinner, hinting at a more lightweight approach. However, the Avata 360 is also rumored to include more hardware than ever: omnidirectional sensing, side and forward vision sensors, and even dual LiDAR modules. These features normally add weight, not reduce it, making the sub-250-gram goal even harder to believe. For now, everything points to one conclusion: DJI has drastically redesigned the Avata series to make room for both 360-degree innovation and FPV performance. Whether they can truly deliver on all fronts remains to be seen, but with final confirmations expected soon, possibly in December, the wait for answers won't be much longer.